right, good afternoon or good morning once again. Sorry, I'm messing up my times here. It's Tuesday, right? Yes, it's Tuesday. Okay, so a couple of things going on today. Powell does speak at 10 a.m. I believe 10 a.m. Eastern time. I think he'll be testifying before the Senate, I believe, for his confirmation hearing. I'm pretty sure they're going to hammer him on some questions. So it's going to be really interesting to see how the market reacts to the confirmation hearing. As you know, tomorrow is CPI data. Thursday is PPI data, producers index, and also going into Friday, I believe there is another economic event or catalyst on Friday as well. So it's just going to be really interesting. Now, I did really enjoy watching the market pump and NASDAQ pump yesterday afternoon. And of course, the 10-year interest rate gone down a little bit back to 1.78. So we'll see what happens today. But we can see right now it's the QQQ is giving up some of the pre-market gains already. Going into the bell, I'm pretty sure the Wall Street investors are going to be eyeing what he's going to say at the confirmation hearing today. It might not be an event at all, but I just think it's going to be a little bit more choppy today, especially going into tomorrow. I would be very interested to hang on to some puts overnight, only because if the CPI data is worse than expected, then we have inflation, then it's just going to be carnage. While I do enjoy the pump yesterday, we still have to look at what's going on in the greater markets to get a better assessment in which direction that will go today. But you can see as QQQ, my target for this week was in the 360s or lower 360s. So it hit 368 yesterday, right near this volume shelf here, which was very good support. And so I'm not sure which direction it wants to go today, to be quite honest. I think we'll get a pump at the bell and probably fade out during the day. And of course, a dump towards the end of the day. Just not sure exactly which, direction the market wants to go. So just be a little bit more careful out there. But I do like Moderna today for a short. Now, it jumped up yesterday on news to 233. Now it's down to 229 in the pre-market. So I think this might be a good short to come back down towards the closer to 220 level. I'm also watching, if you guys are not watching Lucid, you should be watching Lucid. Lucid's looking pretty good. It's a little bit of dump here in the pre-market towards the bell. However, as far as the $43 level, you can see that's clearly resistant, and it tested it twice over the last 2 days. Even though while the markets are, really erratic, Lucid's been trying to break through this 43 mark. So if it breaks through, I think we'll go back to like $45 and $48 level. However, we'll see how the market behaves today. Another one is MU. You guys could probably hear me talk about MU quite a bit, holding on to dear life in terms of support. We took that dip down yesterday towards the moving average 21 or the EMA 21 on my chart here, and it held pretty well and it jumped back up. So it definitely likes to hang out the $93, $94 level for now. Goldman Sachs just came out with a buy rating for $116 or $118 price target. So that's going to be interesting. If we get cues, if we get the tech sector to run, you can see this move pretty edging closer and closer towards that $100 mark. And of course, last one here that I'm looking at is Rivian missed delivery numbers for the quarter, I believe, down to about 78.70 pre-market. All-time lows is right about 75. So I think we're pretty close there to hit that on the short side and possibly go lower once the hype and all the essentially the bulls give up on Rivian here. So with that being said, that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Feel free to join our community, therockTradingCo.com, and you can definitely get more insights in our private chat. All right. So see you guys later.